Once again, Lyman State Park. Guys, wait a minute. Maybe just my hand. There's some trees, you can't see them now. It's too dark. You could see them at first, but now it's too dark. The lake's behind us. You can't see that either. I don't even know why I'm even bothering. Lyman State Park. Trees, there's grass all around. Oh, nice trees. I can do this at my yard, but then I gotta water it all the time. There's been hardly any rain this season. Well, we did finally get 4 or 5 days in a row. I'm done. I'm done you guys leading me. I'm done. You guys can walk where I walk or I'm gonna hurt you. I'm done. Nice though. Pretty big. We'll walk down the road a little ways. We'll walk through these trees. See, there are trees, you just can't see them. There we go. Now you can. We're standing right by it. I'll come back in the daytime and film. I guess it's worth $7 to hang out here all day. I guess we can go back down there and get back down by the beach. Take us a little long enough, they've bugging us so far. The dry creek here. We go up over the dry creek. Yeah. Together, go. Tunnel you can walk through. Obviously, there's no grates on it. Yeah, somebody bought up Concho Lake. How stupid is that? That's why the lake has no water now. He drains it to use for his cattle ranch. Wow. I was so psyched there was a lake there. I'm like, yeah. I was still swimming part of it, but you'd have to walk to it while I was fucking rolling. Let me find out you were trying to roll and poop, Milo. I didn't do any poop here. Fucking nasty. You rolled in earlier just because the car was parked by it. Cow poop everywhere by the lake now. Got his heifers all around it. Most people around the area sold them their water rights. They were older people who didn't farm anymore, so they didn't care about their water anymore. I probably will get a well done. It's gonna cost though. Gotta figure out how to do it myself. That's what you gotta do. Can't be that hard to figure out how to do a well. Drill a well. I want to drill it. I'll go friggin' rent a machine to do it with. They gotta be rentable somewhere. Go buy my own bitted rod somewhere to use for the process. You only need one real bitted rod. The rest are just screw-ons that follow through. I know that much about it. It's way up here, guys. At least Facebook picked up long enough to let CP go in the water. Sweet pea went in the water. She's like, psych, water. Like I said in the video, Facebook video before it cut out, she loves the water now. She now is a swim dog. We're not going to be here in the middle of Arizona forever. Eventually we'll be back in a coastal town somewhere. I have to gobble up land a couple more times though, just to sit on it all and turn it over. And I'll be able to afford to buy a piece of land by the coast before I die. Hopefully before she dies. She will level in by the water for a spell. Went to Sweet Pea. You would love living by the water. Have a beach home before I die. That would be awesome. I don't care if it's on a lake. Neither would they. Water is water. Water is water. Maybe make enough money, I'll buy a piece of land with cash somewhere so I don't have to pay this whole realty shit. Get it, Milo. Get the fix, bitch. Fucking stupid. Milo loves digs. Don't care if she has pheromones or not. He loves digs. She's a hot older girl, I know it. Hot older girl, ain't she, Milo? Yeah, she's a hot older girl. I agree. She is a hot older girl. Once again, not quite sure what I'm filming. It's gotta be almost done. Maybe that's on them. There. Yeah, there. We'll capture everything around. Capture everything around. Well, there, you guys got your lake walk today. Saw Lyman Lake sign on the road sign. I'm like, shit, yeah, we'll go check it out. Done on Facebook Party. I was asking the rangers if they had hollow points in their guns here like the other idiots do. Sorry about my dog getting shot by a ranger who was stupid with his flashlight. How could she not know she was one of the rangers? I tell every ranger about that. Maybe it'll register someday and the rangers, the whole ranger world will realize, hey, we don't have to do all this. What? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Okay. Shitty video of the lake walk. That's because it's nighttime. Can't even see the clouds no more. Everything's dark now. The lake's right down there. Can't even see it though. Maybe if I shut the light off. I don't even remember how I turned the light on. I don't even remember how I turned the light on. Oh, there it is. All you can see is the lights. You can't see the lake. Hoping there'd be some moon glow. I'll check it later. Maybe there is. I don't know. I can't tell. There's all this brightness from my phone in my face. But you know what? I could turn around. Turn around. Is it turned around yet? Oh, no, I don't want to turn around. No, I don't want to turn around. Isn't that weird? I'm hitting the camera turn around, but don't want to do it. Yeah, whatever. Maybe I gotta have it that way. No, nothing's turning around now. It don't work. Way to go, G10 or whatever the hell this phone's called. No, no, turn around. There's something wrong with these damn phones. Oh well, enough of nothing.